Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got an exciting unboxing today. They're all exciting, but this one is extra exciting for me. It's a ginormous Glossybox. Look how huge this is. It is huge, absolutely huge. This is a PR box, so if you weren't aware, I receive PR boxes from Glossybox, so whenever they release any limited edition boxes, then I get those for free to show on my channel. But I also keep my paid for subscription running as well. I've taken out a 12-month subscription, so I'm still getting those and I'm using those as gifts to my friends or for giveaways on my YouTube or Facebook page. So yeah, so this is an actual PR box and I'm shocked. I wasn't expecting the size of it, in all honesty. Now inside contains a prize. Now Glossybox have teamed up this month with Remington to hide 50 golden tickets at random to win a Remington Curl and Straight Confidence 2-in-1 hair straighteners. I think that's it. So they have kindly sent me the straighteners to show you what you could win, and I'll be showing a look that I have created using the straighteners to curl my hair, because I prefer to curl my hair. I'll be putting that up on Facebook and on my Instagram page, which is exactly the same name as this channel, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. So yeah, so let me open it up and show you what is inside this box, just to show you what you could win, and it's at random. So if any of you have won, because I believe boxes have already been sent out, so please let me know if any of you lot have won these straighteners as well. So inside your winning box you will receive this, and that's what it looks like, and it just says you have won Remington Curl and Straight Confidence, and it says to go onto Remington website with your code and you can claim it. I think you've got until the end of September this year to claim them, and these are them. This is what you will win. Look at that. So cool, so cool. I've got a really cheap basic pair that I use to do my hair, and I've been meaning to get rid of them and getting a new one for a long while. So yeah, so those are what you might win. So if you've come onto this video to see an actual Glossybox unboxing, I shall do that now. And this is what it looks like. We're back to the normal pink boxes this month. Glossybox now and again bring out special edition boxes, and last month was a fruity versus a floral design. Really pretty. So if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before and you just want to see the contents, then as always I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It's one of the cheapest boxes out there. This is the UK version. There is Glossybox in the US and other countries in Europe, I believe, but it's a different box. So Glossybox costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging, and you can cancel any time. They offer a monthly rolling subscription or a 3, 6 and 12-month subscription. I've got a refer a friend code for 20% off your first box if you're interested in taking this out for yourself. I will link it down below. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that will bring up my description, and all links and everything related to this box will be listed down there. So inside you get 5 beauty treats. Sometimes you get 6, and sometimes you get a little extra like a chocolate bar or a sample, like a perfume sample. But every month you are guaranteed 5 beauty products. Now they do have a really good mix of beauty, skincare, makeup. It's balanced, I'd say. Some months are better than others, but that's to be expected because essentially, you know, it is a mystery box, so you're not really sure what you're getting. But I think that's it as far as information goes. So let's open it up and show you. It's already coming down. So you've got a little leaflet here, and it tells you, yes, it's got a sneak peek on the back, and it tells you all about the products that are inside this box, including the price as well, which we all like to know, to see whether we're getting a bargain or not. So let me open it up. Can't see much. This is in the way. Maybe if I show you a little bit there. Alright, so I'll put this down to the side of me, pick an item up, show you, and refer back to that leaflet. So the theme of this month's box is trending beauty, and I'm loving this sort of little mini leaflet sort of design. Normally we just get a little card, but no, it's quite nice. So what's it say about it? Hello Glossies, we're embracing high-end beauty trends this month, from mineral makeup to Korean beauty and sustainable skincare. We've created a trendy beauty edit featuring all the products you need to stay en vogue. Our May box is filled with 5 full-size products, including makeup must-haves, front-running skincare and award-winning nail care. And then it goes on to telling you about the Remington styling tool. So let's see what the sneak peek is for June. And there's an Avant product. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this one? It's what is it? Silky and lightweight primer, and it's worth £85. Oh my gosh, we've had one of these, not this one, but we had an Avant. It's a hyaluronic serum in, looked fantastic this month and a couple of months ago as well. we had the nighttime moisturiser, which is amazing. It's like £98, and that was doing its round in subscription box as well. But because it's such an amazing product, none of us really minded getting it, you know, duplicates then, because, you know, not all of us can go out and afford like £98 just like that. So having an amazing product in a subscription box, we were all really happy. Well, the people that I was talking to anyway. So what does it say? It improves the texture of your skin and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also hydrates and mattifies your complexion, helping your makeup look smoother and last longer. So that is what we're going to get in June's box. Right, so the first item, and this is our sneak peek from last month. Now, we had a choice of two. Well, not a choice. We were told we would get one of two, and they're both by Barry M. And this is the Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit, and the other one was a highlighting palette, highlighting and blush palette. I've already got that one, so I am happy that I have this one. But on second thoughts, I have a few of these. They're cream contours. Now, Barry M is a lovely brand, really lovely. But I have got a few of these. I had one a couple of months ago and cohorted. So I think for me, oh, it's some nice colours there as well. I really like that one. That cream one there and that one. Oh, I don't know. I was going to say, for me, I think I might pass that on to someone, because there's no point having a lot of them around. I am not a makeup hoarder. If I don't use something, or if I haven't used something for months and months and months, then I will get rid of it, because I'd rather it go to someone that would use... I've got fluff on my flipping nose. That is annoying me. I would rather it go to someone and then use it than for it to run out of date in my house. But yeah, I'm talking quite a lot. I'm aware I'm talking quite a lot. So, right, what does it say about it in here then? So obviously this is a full-size product, and the recommended retail price is £7.99. Contouring as a beauty trend is nothing new, but it's time to put 2019 spin on it. Forget the overly sculpt look this year. It's all about subtle definition. That's where your Chisel Cheeks Contour Kit comes in. Apply a darker shade to your cheekbones, jawline and hairline, then seamlessly blend it with a lighter shade to smooth out the look and subtly define your features. Oh, see, I want to try it. I might give that a go and see how it compares, and then choose one to keep. So that's the first item. So you'll either be getting this one or the highlighting palette. Next, we've got something quite fun. Now, I have had one of these before, not this specific one. It is good fun. It is good fun. It's by Dr. Jart, Korean skincare beauty brand, and this is their, what's it called? Shake and Shot. Look at the face on that. Rubber baby face. Rubber baby face. Now, I can't remember what one I had. This is a rubber firming mask. I think I had a brightening one. Now, I did a Q&A on my channel about 2 months ago maybe, and I did two of them. I did part one and part two, and in my part two video, because my part one went out the window, it just went wrong. So in my part two video, I decided to use a different type of mask, and I used this one, but obviously a different, you know, a brightening one, and it was nice. It was nice. It was really nice. You mix it up together. You've got your own little kit in there. So you've got a spatula, so you've got like a lotion in there, and then you've got the rubber mask in there, and you mix it all together in this pot, give it a good shake, and yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It applies to the skin well. I've tried some rubber masks in the past, and I haven't been able to do it right. I think the formula is wrong, but the fact is that you've got everything here that you need, so it's literally shoving it all together and slap it on your face, and it's fine. It's fine. So no, I'm quite excited to give this a go. I can't put it all back together now. So what's it say in the book here? I think I paid about £8 for this, I think. Or maybe not, I don't know. What's it say? Recommended retail price £8, and yeah, it says, yeah, I got mine from ASOS as well, and it just tells you where you can get it from. So you will either get a hydro mask or a firming mask. So this is the firming mask, and it says, when it comes to high performing skincare innovations, Dr. Jart is king. Shake and Shot rubber mask is a fun DIY rubbery modelling mask that nourishes your skin with high potency active ingredients, leaving you a healthy and dewy looking complexion. Better yet, its innovative cream to sheet formula penetrates deep into your skin than a traditional sheet mask, moisturising your skin quickly and effectively. So that's that item there. Next, we've got another familiar for me, and this is by the Beauty Kitchen, and it's Natural Line, 100% natural, 0% petroleum, and lip treatment. This is lovely. This is so nice. I keep it in the car. Really lovely. I was lucky enough to be picked lost. I still got that fluff on my nose. What is going on? Unless it's a hair. Anyway, it's basically a try products for free at home in exchange for doing a review. Nothing to do with me doing YouTube videos, nothing like that. So I got this box and it was all beauty kitchen products. Now they are really, really lovely. We had quite a lot of selection. So if you've never heard of Beauty Kitchen, I will type the website down below. It's worth checking out. They do amazing like hand scrubs and things like that, and like BB creams as well. Absolutely loved it. And this is amazing. It is really lovely. Just looks like a normal lip balm, but it's nice. It is really nice. So the recommended retail price for this is £2.99. 2019 is all about sustainable beauty. Beauty Kitchen have created this 100% petroleum sustainable lip treatment that is more effective and less greasy than petroleum jelly alternatives. Made with 100% natural ingredients, this balm moisturizes and protects your lips for up to 8 hours, keeping them soft, beautiful and healthy. Better yet, the packaging is 100% recyclable and made from recyclable tin plate. Good for the environment, great for your lips. So that's that product there. There we got a nail polish, and this is by Nail Berry, and this is Le Oxygenated Nail Lacquer in Love Me Tender. And that's what it looks like there. A gorgeous colour, really lovely colour. Let's show you what it looks like on a nail. Oh, that's nice. Woo, it's quite liquidy. Hold on. I wonder if you get different shades. Maybe they'll say in the book now. But yeah, can you see there? That's really pretty, isn't it? Just a nice sort of naturally nude type colour. So the recommended retail price for this is £14.50, and it says meet the next generation of state-of-the-art nail polish, part of Nail Berry's revolutionary Oxygen range. This multi-award winning nail polish uses patented technology to deliver a healthier manicure without compromising on colour quality. It covers your nail with a unique film that allows air and water vapour to pass through it, ensuring your cuticles are protected even when wearing nail polish. So that's that one there. And then finally, if I can grab it without wrecking my nail polish, we've got a Mud Masky, and this is a Aftermask Vitamin Serum. Ooh, okay. pH balance, extra soothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting and nourishing, and a 30ml. When I saw this, I thought it was a bigger version of like the masks that they do. And unfortunately, I'm not that keen on them. It's not that I'm not that keen on them, it's just that they don't really do much to my skin. I think the ones I've tried is like sleep masks, and we've had little mini ones of it, and yeah, I don't notice that much difference. But no, Vitamin Serum, now that has got my interest up. So the recommended retail price for this is £43. Whew. The serum is the forefront of an up-and-coming beauty trend, the first skincare product in the world specially designed to be used after a face mask. Oh, nice, okay. Did it say that? Oh, after mask. I obviously didn't clock it. It nourishes your complexion with the vitamins your skin will be craving after intense clay, charcoal, sheet or peel off mask treatment. Simply apply a thin layer to your face after removing your mask and you'll have soft and smooth skin. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up and add them all up, and then I'll come back. So these are all the products that we received in May's Glossybox. The whole value comes to £76.50, which is quite high. And we've got a Beauty Kitchen Natural Line Lip Treatment. We've got a Barry M Cream Contour Kit. We've got a Dr. Jart Rubber Face Mask Kit. And we've got a Mud Masky Aftermask Vitamin Serum. And also we've got, I keep forgetting what it's called, Nail Berry Le Oxygen Nail Polish. So my thoughts are that this box I think is quite nice. Definitely value for money, definitely. You've got a really good mix here. I love the theme as well. It seems quite exciting, quite innovative and quite different, especially this nail polish and this Aftermask Serum. I've already got this, but I do like it, so it's a good product. I've already tried one of these. Again, I like it. I can't remember if it's amazing, but I do like it, and I thought that applying it to my skin was good. I'll have to look back on my video to see what I said. But yeah, so I'm happy to try a different type of one, which is good. This one, I like Barry M, but I've got a few of these contour kits now, the cream ones. So I think I'm going to give it a try and then compare it to the others and choose one to keep and then pass on the others. And then yeah, these nail polishes is gorgeous. I'm going to have to start wearing more nail polish because my nails are growing, and they're growing evenly, sort of, anyway. And this is lovely. This is so nice. such a nice colour, and I haven't wrecked it so far anyway. And yeah, this Aftermath serum, I can't wait to try it. So yeah, so really chuffed. Even though it's some items that I've seen that I've got before or that I've got similar, I'm still quite happy with it. Yeah, I think these two for me definitely are the ones that stand out more. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you like it? Do you subscribe to it? Did you get the same variation? I got variation 3, so yeah, I'd love to know. And my paid for box is variation 3 as well. I'll stop blabbing now. I am aware I am talking quite a lot in this video, and if I'm talking too fast, please let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll be aware for future videos. But I hope you enjoyed watching anyway, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.